Hey, how's it going? In this super quick video, I'm gonna show you how you can hide the like count on your Instagram post. Now, why would you even want to hide the like count on your Instagram post? Because hey, if a prospective client sees your Instagram and sees that certain posts only have, let's say, 10 likes, it might be a little bit of a turnoff for them when it comes to engaging with your brand. They might not see you as credible as they would if they simply didn't see that number right beside your post. Because hey, we all have to start somewhere, so you might as well give yourself the best leg up possible when posting to Instagram. So one advantage is that it can be a post by post basis in which you decide whether or not you're gonna keep the like count on or turn it off. See here, I've got my Instagram profile up. I'll go to this latest video here, and then you'll see that currently I have the like count on, only 28 likes on this post. So I'm gonna go to the top right-hand corner here, click on the three dots, and then you'll see I have the opportunity to hide likes and hide share count. I'll click on hide likes, and then there you go. You see that the likes have been completely removed. You can always go back and click on unhide likes if you want to add them back on. Maybe at the start you're hiding the likes, but then you see, hey, this post had a lot of traction, I'm gonna turn that back on. You can do that just like that. If you're posting a new post and you want to decide before you've even posted it whether or not you want to hide or share your like count, you can just scroll down, click on more options, and then you'll see the opportunity to hide like count and hide share count for this post. Lastly, maybe you find it distracting to see other people's like counts on their posts. Well, you can turn that off as well so that you cannot personally see the like counts of anybody's posts on Instagram. Click on the top right-hand corner hamburger menu there, and then simply scroll down until you see like and share counts, and then you'll see that mine is currently turned on. It's turned on by default in my country. It may vary for your country, and you can simply toggle that on and off whether or not you want to see other people's like and share counts. So it's that simple. That is how you hide your like and share counts. Hey, maybe you're a brand that gets so much engagement, so maybe strategically it makes more sense to leave your like and share counts on. Either way, that's how you do it. Thanks so much for watching. We have tons of great content coming your way all the time.